Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today's video is going to be pretty quick and to the point. I have a couple of items from Rosalind I wanted to unbox and review. Starting off, I have this acrylic powder. On the box we have some directions and of course the Rosalind website. And then inside the box, I have a pink and a clear acrylic powder. It is 1.76, so almost 2 ounces of powder. And they're about $8 or $9 on Amazon. I just looked last night and today is June the 30th. Amazon Prime Day is coming up on July the 11th and 12th, so you may be able to get these items for even a sweeter deal. Also inside the box, they do provide you with some instructions, and it also has their website again. What is acrylic powder? I think that's kind of cool. If you're a beginner and not a nail tech or a nail student, you have that information for you. Inside the instructions, it does come with how to use the product, as well as if you wanted to try some nail carving and how to remove it. I did hold it still so that you can take snapshots if you needed to. Also a little DIY nail art instructions as well. And then on the back, it does give some question and answers for you. And even though I know it's kind of hard to tell the colors, I did do a quick swatch of the pink and the clear. Again, in my next video, I am using the clear product for you. The next item that I have is this 8-piece gel nail polish kit. On the package, it does list the ingredients and 7 items that it does not contain. So the 7 free ingredients, I kind of like that they list that there for you in case you're interested. And then it also has the Rosalind website. Inside the package, again, they list the instructions, which I think is pretty cool. And you can see there the nail polishes are in there very snug. They're not going anywhere. So on the instruction pack, it does tell you what UV nail polish is. On the inside of it, it gives you instructions on how to use, how to remove, and a couple of tips for nail art. So that's very useful if you are a beginner. Again, the bottles are plain black bottles. However, there is one thing that I do love about it. So on the back, it does give you a little bit of information on the ingredients. And then on the front, you'll notice it has this rose, which is beautiful, that it does show you the color of the polish that's inside the bottle. So this is a purple C048. And then this is this color is a red, but it's a beautiful red. Like this C010, it's a red that I would actually wear, and I'm not a red person. This orange, oh my gosh, it is to die for. It is the brightest neon, most beautiful orange that I have seen in some gel polish in a while. I love it. Now, the description of the gel polishes say that they are neon colors. However, in my opinion, some of these are very pastel looking. Like that orange, no doubt that is a neon color. But the yellow, I feel like, is actually on the pastel side. And I actually use it in the next video that is coming up. Still beautiful nonetheless, effortlessly to apply. They were really 1 coat coverage, but if you needed to, you could use 2 coats just to make sure that that color and the opacity is coming through. Beautiful nail polishes. I can't wait to order more. Again, Amazon Prime Day is coming up, so I do plan on going over to their website and seeing if there are any extra deals that I can get so that I can have more polishes from Rosalind in my collection. I am going to swatch a couple of these. I'm not going to swatch all of them because at the end I do show all of them swatched. Hope that you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, please take the time and subscribe to the channel. If you like the content that you are seeing, give a thumbs up. And If you are feeling generous, leave me a comment. How about a purple heart? Because look at this purple. It is not all the way see-through, but it is on the transparent jelly side or syrup side of it. And this color is just stunning. I love it. And look at how easy it is to apply. That is just one coat. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the
And as promised, here are all the colors swatched out. I told you they were all beautiful. They did not disappoint. The majority of these, except for the yellow and the orange and the green, are only one coat. Look at that blue. It is completely transparent, just like glass. The purple is on the syrup consistency as well as the orange. And I want to say the red as well. Even though I did apply 2 coats, it was still semi-syrupy. I love these. Again, I can't wait to purchase more products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.